Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tempus AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 31.62% since we first recommended buying Tempus AI 12 days ago. This translates to an average return of about 2.64% per day since it was listed as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken through a significant downward trend in the short term. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early shift in the trend. Following this reaction, there will be support at the level of $47.25, a point that may present a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, $66.65 will be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 32.17% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 71.05% to negative 50.86%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI includes the headline, High Volatility in Tempus AI Incorporated Stock Price on Thursday, which ended trading at $65.22. The Tempus AI Incorporated stock price gained 10.99% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, rising from $58.76 to $65.22. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 15.36% from the day low at $57.57 to a day high of $66.41. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 21.91% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, and in total, 25 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.61 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $91.45, and the lowest price was $22.89. Currently, the price is 28.68%, or $26.23, below the 52-week high of $91.45, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Tempus AI, trading under the ticker TEM, has recently garnered attention, and its stock is now a focal point for investors. On the 6th of May, it announced a remarkable 75.4% year-over-year increase in revenue, totaling $255.7 million for the first quarter of 2025, with gross profit nearly doubling. This financial performance highlights the company's strong growth trajectory in the AI-driven healthcare sector, particularly in diagnostics and drug discovery. Furthermore, the introduction of their AI-powered clinical assistant, Note Taker, reflects Tempus's commitment to innovation, enhancing patient care by streamlining documentation for psychiatrists. This advancement could further reinforce their market position and attract strategic partnerships within the healthcare industry. Despite receiving a neutral rating from JP Morgan, which set a price target of $55, these developments present a positive outlook for Tempus AI. In the short term, robust earnings and new product launches may lead to stock price appreciation as investor confidence grows. The long-term prospects appear equally bright, especially as Tempus expands its pharmaceutical collaborations and enhances its clinical AI capabilities. Overall, Tempus AI seems poised for continued strong performance, making it a stock worth monitoring. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TEM a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April 2025, it was noted that BTIG again assigned TEM a buy grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, Morgan Stanley assigned TEM an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November 2024, Piper Sandler rated TEM with a neutral grade and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November 2024, Needham assigned TEM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also assigned the stock an strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. The Tempus AI Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. During any corrections downward, there will be support levels at $55.83 and $49.05. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 75.18%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 125 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $59.10 and $58.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to the next support level. In this scenario, Tempus AI Inc. finds support just below today's level at $59.10. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $58.76 and $49.55. This stock may experience significant fluctuations during the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $8.84 between its high and low, which is a change of 15.36%. Over the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 11.97%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts predict a consensus estimate of negative $0.190. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $69.57. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI faces its first support level at $59.10. If this support level remains intact, it could present an excellent entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 6th of May, 2025, Fukushima Ryan conducted an insider sale of 7,220 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of May, 2025, Fukushima Ryan conducted another insider sale of 12,190 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of May, 2025, Fukushima Ryan also conducted an insider sale of 590 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of May, 2025, Epstein David R. conducted an insider sale of 370 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of February, 2025, Rogers James William conducted an insider purchase of 4,372 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 20 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 52.293. Overall, insiders purchased 24,412 shares and sold 74,908 shares in the last 20 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $63, reflecting a decrease of 3.4%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 21 days ago. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Tempus AI Incorporated holds several positive signals. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current position, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold or accumulate rating. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we anticipate Tempus AI will open lower by $2.15, starting trading at $63.07. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.